Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you another method on how to make aloe vera oil for hair growth infused with moringa and brahmi powder. In my previous video, I made aloe vera oil with fenugreek seed. Please click on the card above if you haven't seen that video. So guys, for this recipe, I'll be using aloe vera leaf, moringa powder, brahmi powder, grapeseed oil, castor oil, sweet almond oil, vitamin E oil, tea tree essential oil, and rosemary essential oil. If you don't have all the ingredients I'm using for this recipe, you can use whatever you have available, following the same method. Aloe vera is rich in vitamin B, C, E, and folic acid. So I sliced the aloe vera leaf into tiny pieces to help the infusion process faster. Put everything in a bowl and then add 3 teaspoons of brahmi powder, 3 teaspoons of moringa powder, some grapeseed oil which contains vitamin E, helps to moisturize and condition dry hair, castor oil which helps to hydrate the hair shaft, increasing flexibility and decreasing breakage, and almond oil which is rich in vitamin B7, helps to soften and strengthen your hair. Then mix everything very well. Now I'm going to do the double boiling method. Put the bowl inside the pot with boiling water and leave it to infuse for 30 minutes on a low heat. Give it a stir regularly. Make sure water doesn't go into the oil. Then switch off the heat and leave it to further infuse for 3 hours. Next, I'm using a cheesecloth to strain out the oil. You can use a wig cap for this process if you don't have a cheesecloth. Just to be sure I don't have any particles in the oil, I'm using a fine mesh funnel filter. You can get every single product from Amazon, and I'll put the links in the description below. And now add some vitamin E oil, Jamaican black castor oil, some few drops of tea tree essential oil, and rosemary essential oil. These oils are optional, or you can use whatever you have. You can use this oil as a pre-poo treatment, hot oil treatment, or massage it into your scalp daily. So guys, our hair growth oil with aloe vera leaf is ready. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos. See you all in my next one, and thanks for watching. Bye.